Let me see. I'm gonna show you off this whole city. It's beautiful. You gotta walk away from some people and walk in different directions. You're gonna see all the paintings. Hopefully, we still have the connection. Yes. All this wood is just beautiful. These people made extremely architectural, awesome. So, yeah, watch this beautiful toy. Little paintings, gorgeous paintings, full art pieces. This place is gorgeous, you know. This is my little 10 minutes of shine with you guys. By myself. And this is where we got my key made yesterday. Fucking dope is that. Oh, yeah. And then this one, the heart of Jerry, the baby in the heart. It's amazing. There's plenty of art in here. Check this piece out. Oh, yeah. There's plenty of awesome art here. This whole thing is like a mandala calendar with all the hearts and Jewish symbols and signs I've never seen before. If you can identify all of them, please comment. I have the photos up so you can take a picture. Good old Bob. Always Bob. Laser. And also this guy. Made out of mosaics. Not mosaics, but tile in a mosaic form. So yeah, dude. Shout out to Jerry Kakwata for being so open to have art everywhere and expression, and look at this beautiful. It's fucking dope. So, you know, bring